Hey guys, welcome back. I am Zippius Relic 73, and we have
we
the
got him
lion.
inside.
Yep. And we have a bird, and we have a pig.
And this is my horse.
You have a pig.
Come on, buddy.
We have a horse too.
Dude, how did you get to the door? Come on, buddy.
How did he get to the door?
I don't know.
We upgraded our shrine.
Oh, I'm gonna go kill this. This horse is slow though.
And I'm gonna go into the. Wait, did we neglect this cave all this time? No, wait, no, we didn't. There's torches in there.
Oh, Enderman, run!
Why is it Enderman in the game? I'm kind of.
Don't look at him.
Yeah, don't look at him in the eyes.
Okay, guys, I just want to show you how creepy he is.
He's like a cyclops.
He has one eye, and it's really spooky.
Those are called cyclops.
Look, he's over there. Hi, buddy. Oh, look. See? Look at his face. He's very ugly. I don't know. I might have just looked at him. Okay. This one's nice.
Kill!
He doesn't care if I look at him in his face. See? He doesn't care. This one's fine. Hey, sup? We're friends. Sup, bro?
Fish!
Fishies? Let me teleport you.
I killed a fish and got some fish.
Did you turn on mob loot?
Yeah.
Well, if we find drowned, we can get a trident.
Well, if we find a drowned with a tray.
No, they drop tridents. Yeah, but if I found a cave. Over here, teleport to me.
Where are you?
Just teleport to me. It's a giant ravine. I won't hit you off.
Teleport to. Do lie near that dude.
Look.
Whoa!
It's a huge ravine. I think we're gonna survive. Jump in the water. Go.
Don't jump into the lava.
Dang it.
Diamonds!
Dude, no. Can I have some? Oh crap. Can I get some? Where?
Right there.
Where?
I already got them. Yeah.
I got none. Well, that was probably the only diamond in here. How much was in there?
Like one. More diamonds!
Can I have those? What color are they? Hey, I want to have them. Let me have them. Up. You already have some. Move. Because I have no diamonds. We'll share.
Right.
Dude, this is a lot.
Yeah. Damn. Just got burnt. Wait. Can I dig this? Wait, we need a diamond pickaxe to mine to get to the nether.
We do?
Yeah. Because, like, we'll need the obsidian and then some flint and steel.
Do you have obsidian?
Nope.
Dude, I found something. Come here. Found treasure. Move.
It's a cave.
But look, what is that? Look.
Oh.
We're a flower.
That's
Just
a
sitting
flower.
there. Strange.
Nothing over here.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Whoa, it's a cave.
This seems to be the
Dude,
end
there's
of
some
the
gold
ravine.
here.
Nice.
I'm gonna get it. Oh, we could get
Wait, dude, there's a mine shaft!
Hold on, wait. Don't go in there by yourself. I don't want you to die. Dude, stop just going everywhere. Ow! Where?
Up there. Lapis lazuli!
What is that good for?
Enchanting. There's a mine shaft up there.
Oh, sorry. Come on. Jump up.
I'll build my own. Yeah, like the wood is. Yeah, like the Minecraft.
I did not make that. Let me
One
get out
second.
there real quick.
Let me go for my auto clicker.
There's lava in here. Oh! I almost stepped in. Ooh. Let me block it off with some granite. Yeah, that worked. Just jump on the granite wall, and you should get over the lava, and then jump onto these sponges. Okay?
Dude, like the wood is right above me.
Oh. Then I went the wrong way. Don't hit me. Please don't hit me.
I'm jumping so I can place the blocks.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Teleport to me when I'm up there. I'm up here. Let me set my auto clicker to left click. There we go. Now I can go in.
There's I know there's something on the other side of this. It's just obvious.
I'll block off this with a dirt block. Okay.
There's gotta be something on the other side of this.
Oops.
Unless they just didn't finish the mine shaft.
I mean, I found another area that leads down. Oh crap! This is
obsidian. Oh, it's coarse dirt.
It's coarse dirt. This man, this didn't have anything.
Thought it had like diamonds or something.
Wait, there's more mine shafts over there.
Go to like a bridge. I'll do it. Oh, sorry.
It's okay. I should probably get that. I'll collect some more stone.
No! Don't hit me.
Dude, I think I found another cave. Nope, it's just a water source block. Okay.
Come on up.
Let's hope this one isn't disappointing.
Yeah, there's like other rooms that go. Like it's getting dark.
Creeper!
Let him blow up. Run. Stop it. It's villagers. What the heck? I can't hit. I can't hit. Yep, I'm dead. Can't hit. Now I can hit. Oh, I was stuck in cobweb. I hate cobweb. This one. Ah! Let me use my golden sword on you.
At least you didn't explode.
Ah! Stop it. I'm just gonna die. Let's go back home and craft these. No! I pressed the wrong button. Tell them that I pressed the wrong button.
You pressed the wrong button.
Sorry, guys. But we did find some diamonds. If you were here to see it. Did it stop recording?
No.
Sorry that I left. It was totally an accident. Why did you try to do a command?
Oh, because I was gonna kill myself.
It's slash kill.
I'm going to trim this part out and editing.
Hey, piggy buddy. Hey, Baba. Buddy. Yum, yum, yum. You not hungry? Oh, right. There we go. Now I'm talking to my pig. Oh, you have to shut the door because your dad said to. Put just diamond in there. Dude, we got diamond. Bruh.
And dude, you know that ravine?
Yes. We're about to have some gold too.
Hello, piggy. Dude, my inventory is full.
Hey, come here. Come to me.
Yeah,
Here.
thanks.
Helmet.
My inventory is full, so I'll just get like some seeds. That look awesome.
It's a diamond helmet that I have on. I crafted it. I'm sorry.
That's good.
Here, you can have this. I tried to save some for you. I'm sorry. It wasn't enough.
I need like one more to craft like a pickaxe.
I'm gonna craft you a pickaxe right now.
Okay. But like one that can like. Do you have another diamond?
No.
Now I'm getting attacked.
I need some sticks. Oh, 11 sticks. Perfect.
Running away. To try and find some diamonds. Terrible singing skills.
Why did I just do that?
I have no idea.
I got a golden axe.
Something exploded. Dude, make sure the chest. Make sure like everything is
I can
okay.
get us a bow.
Yes, but like make sure
Should we
everything.
get a bow?
Yeah,
I got
but
two
make
bows.
sure everything is okay outside.
Oh. Okay, let me check.
Wait, I'm stuck in something.
Yeah,
I found a cave. But dude, I found a cave.
Coming.
You see that hole I dug down?
Yes, I have a golden axe.
Wonder if this cave goes to line level 11.
I have a golden axe now. I tried to make you one.
Spooter!
How are you getting to these places?
Because I just can't.
Eh.
Dude. This hole?
If I find some, don't you dare shoot me. Yeah, I was like,
I destroyed him.
good.
Lapis lazuli! More lapis lazuli.
Ooh, diamond. I saw diamond.
That was lapis lazuli.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, mob spawner! Dude! Over here. Chest.
Ooh,
Another music disc for cat.
get some iron ingots.
Buckets!
Oh, sweet. I got an enchantment book.
Nice.
And I got some iron ingots. And, ooh.
Music
Oh.
disc 13.
You're gonna be happy for what I just found for you. I'm gonna go home. Okay.
I'm gonna go try some. Wait, there's obsidian over here.
Ooh.
That pickaxe? Like a diamond pickaxe?
No, I don't.
We'll need diamond pickaxe.
Oh, I have a diamond helmet though. I didn't have enough for a diamond pickaxe. Sorry. I honestly didn't.
Yeah.
Bum, 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 bum. Okay, I'm gonna go find you one. I'm actually gonna give you my horse.
Drop the bow.
Oh god, there's a creeper. And there's skeletons. Get inside! Get inside! Shut the door behind you. Dude, there's a creeper. There's creepers outside.
Mm.
Hey, come here! Look it! Got a piggy. We got a rideable piggy now. What?
Hey, look, but it's too far away. I know, but
You need a carrot.